Hi everyone, this is Cindy Cricut the Heart, and I wanted to share some of the cards that I made from my card kit swap that I had. And so these are some of the cards that I made from the kits that I received. So the first one, of course, I somehow detached the name of the person that sent this one in, but this is one of the cards. Here's this one from Mary Davis. She's Mary Santa on YouTube. And so one of the cards I made with the kit she sent. This is the one from Tasha Wood from T Wood Crafts. Anna's Creations. And so this swap, basically, I would have to just send in all the pieces to make a card, and it's like a card kit. And so everyone made 5 the same, and then got 5 different ones back. And then this one is Deanna from Dee's Crafts. This one it's a shaker. I love the colors. And then, oh, this is a card that was sent to me from I'll Make It Crafts. And then this is her card. And then this one is Glittered and Glued. She sent some cute things. And then this is the card. Oh, Mom, I think and then this one is Vanessa Soto, and she is Soto Creates. And then here's the card that I made from her kit. So it's a really fun swap, something a little bit different. And just a reminder that I do have a birthday card challenge listed on my YouTube channel. If you're interested in a really easy and fun challenge, you can win a fun prize. You check it out. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy Cricut the Heart.